Greetings, vehicle aficionados. At CarTech, we delve into the realm of futuristic and unconventional trucks and buses. Join us as we unveil the most remarkable and forward-thinking designs that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in transportation. Let me tell you about an incredible truck called Scania Chimera. It's a true engineering marvel, a dream come true in the world of trucks. Imagine the power of Scania, futuristic design, and future technology all combined in one unique show truck. The Chimera is not just a truck, it's a work of art on wheels. At the heart of this beast is a Scania V8 engine with 1,460 horsepower. 6 whole-set turbochargers provide excellent breathing power even on the steepest climbs. At the same time, the weight is only 4,780 kilograms, incredibly light for such a giant. The Chimera is equipped with A-Link independent front suspension for a comfortable ride and exceptional handling. The Allison 6-speed transmission ensures smooth shifting in all conditions. What makes the Chimera special is that it combines elements of a racing car and a classic Scania truck. The design team worked on this engineering marvel for 5 years. You see the legendary Scania Longline truck. It's a real gem that, unfortunately, never quite made it to the world. Imagine an extended cab, driver comfort at the highest level, and all this combined with Scania's reliability. The Longline was a trucker's dream realized in metal. It was originally called the EXC BLB. Scania introduced it to the world in 2002 at the Hanover show. The company hoped that European lawmakers would allow the trucks to be longer. Alas, that didn't happen. In 2003, the EXC was renamed Longline. It was still based on the old Scania 4 series. What made the Longline special was its larger cab. This gave the drivers much more space and comfort on long trips. The Longline was not just a truck, it was a mobile home on wheels. The main feature of this beauty is the bed arrangement. Unlike conventional trucks, where the bed is located in the back, in a Longline, the bed is located along the side of the cab. This gives much more space and comfort. The Longline cab has been extended by as much as 1,300 millimeters from the B-pillar. Can you imagine how much space is now available inside? There are additional lockers, a refrigerator, a sink, a TV, a table, and a chair. An incredible motorhome on the base of KAMAZ 43118. It is not just a house on wheels, it is a real dream of a traveler and hunter. Inside this beauty, everything for comfortable life. A spacious kitchen with a gas stove, microwave, and refrigerator, a cozy bedroom, and, you won't believe it, even a sauna. Yes, a real wood-fired sauna right in the motorhome. The peculiarity of this motorhome is its practicality. The interior decoration is made in neutral colors, which makes it convenient for long-term use. At the same time, the quality of finishing is at the highest level. Natural leather, artificial suede, and even cedar with lime in the sauna are used. The motorhome is fully autonomous. 4 solar panels, a powerful generator, a heating system, there is even electric floor heating. It has a video communication system with the cabin and a front view camera. You will always be aware of what is going on outside. This motorhome is not just transportation, it's a way of life. You see an incredible truck named Filthy. It's all about power. Under the hood of the Filthy is a 28-liter twin-turbo V12 Cummins engine, 900 horsepower as standard, and 4,000 newton-meters of torque. Filthy's creator, Australian Michael Lake, says it can produce up to 2,300 horsepower with 4 turbos. The Filthy has a hydraulic bumper that can lift up to tackle obstacles on the road. Inside, there are sport seats, a removable steering wheel, and even a roll cage. The Filthy is not just a car, it's a dream come true. It's designed to surprise and delight. Believe me, when you see it, you won't be able to take your eyes off it. Let's talk about an awesome truck, a custom 2023 Peterbilt 389. This is not just a tractor, but a real home on wheels that combines the power of the legendary Peterbilt with the comfort of an apartment. Speaking of comfort, this truck offers everything you need for living. A kitchen, shower, restroom, and a bedroom with 2 beds. You can travel without worrying about finding hotels. Under the hood hides a turbocharged 6-cylinder Cummins X15 diesel engine. Although the exact output is not specified, you can be sure that it is more than 500 horsepower and huge torque. The dimensions are impressive. The wheelbase is 9 meters and the sleeping compartment is 4.26 meters. Inside, you will find modern technologies: leather seat, navigation, air conditioning, digital dashboard, all for the maximum driver comfort. The appearance is also on the top. Black color and chrome accents give the truck a stylish and solid look. Of course, there are its own nuances. For example, maneuverability of such a giant in the city will not be the best. Fuel consumption is probably impressive. Not without reason, there are 2 tanks of 150 gallons each. But if you dream about life on the road, about traveling without limits, this Peterbilt can be an ideal choice. Now we are talking about a motorhome, UNICAT MD56C. This is not just a motorhome, it is a real fortress for traveling in the wildest places of the planet. This huge 6-wheeled motorhome can live away from civilization for 2 weeks. The main feature is autonomy. It has solar panels on the roof that provide almost 2,000 watts of power. It also has huge water and fuel tanks. With 532 horsepower under the hood, you can go off-road with this engine. What makes the MD56C special is its versatility. Inside, there is everything for comfortable life. Kitchen with induction stove, shower, toilet, comfortable beds. On the roof, you can carry a quad bike or 2 motorcycles. Despite its size, this motorhome is very maneuverable. It has a rear-wheel thruster system, so it can turn around almost on the spot. The MD56C has a central tire inflation system. You can change the tire pressure right on the fly, depending on the type of road. The UNICAT MD56C is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle for those who love adventure and comfort. Let me tell you about a real road monster, the Freightliner M2 106 RV hauler from UNICAT Trucks. It's not just a truck, it's a whole house on wheels for your motorhome. Just imagine with it, you're driving down the road in a powerful Freightliner with your favorite motorhome behind you. The main feature is its versatility. It is designed specifically for towing 5th wheel and gooseneck trailers. It has a low-profile platform, so you don't have to worry about a trailer body collision on rough roads. Now for the power. 360 horsepower under the hood. With an engine like that, you'll be able to tow even the heaviest motorhome with ease. What makes this truck special is its customization. There is an aluminum platform, leather interior, and even a branded Luxa grille. There's a cool Kenwood audio system with 8 speakers and a subwoofer. This truck has the Avidal keyless entry system. There are 6 storage compartments in the body and even a center crossbody compartment. The Freightliner M2 106 RV hauler from UNICAT Trucks is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle for those who love travel and comfort. You see the Scott Bloomquist's incredible racing caravan. It's not just a trailer, it's a real spaceship on wheels. It's custom built from the ground up. Inside, it's a rock and roll paradise with a cool sound system, bar, sofa, and bed. Perfect for life on the road. The trailer is thoughtfully designed for the race team. Built-in cabinets to store spare parts, scratch-proof walls so the wide race cars don't get damaged during loading. Even special air valves to inflate 4 tires at once. What makes this car carrier special is its practicality. When you spend more than 100 races a season on the track, such a motorhome is just a dream. It's not just transportation, but the embodiment of a racer's dream of the perfect motorhome. A cool new product from Mack Trucks is the limited edition Mack Black Anthem. Only 500 of them will be produced. Black paint, black aluminum fuel tanks, black Alcoa Durablack wheels, all this creates a unique style. There's a big Mack sign on the grille. Inside too, everything is of the highest order. Black leather, wooden inserts, special stitching on seats, you feel like you're in a luxury sports car. Even the steering wheel is special, with a flat bottom as in racing cars. But Mack Black Anthem is not only a beauty, it is very economical in terms of fuel consumption. Also, Mack has an excellent network of dealers and services, so there will be no problems with service. If you want to stand out on the road and at the same time get a reliable car, Mack Black Anthem is what you need. The Kenworth K200 truck is a machine that can haul anything. The K200 is available in different configurations: 6x4, 8x4, 8x6, and even 10x6. It can handle any job, whether you're hauling regular freight or working with B-double and B-triple drivetrains. The heart of this beast is the Cummins X15 Euro 5 engine. It can produce up to 600 horsepower and up to 2,050 pound-feet of torque. Smart, adept electronics help with fuel economy. Now let's take a look inside the cabin. Huge windows provide excellent visibility. The dashboard is like a spaceship, with everything at your fingertips. There's even a special smart wheel steering wheel with control buttons right on it. But the coolest thing is the space in the cabin. Here you can stand up your full height, and if you choose the version with a sleeping bag of 2.8 meters, you will get a real apartment on wheels. There is even a place for 2 refrigerators under the bed. Safety is also at the top. Special steps with illumination, comfortable handrails, it is a pleasure to get in and out of the cabin. K200 can be customized, whether it's adding fuel tanks or space for additional equipment on the frame. Today, I'm going to tell you about the absolutely incredible Tesla semi-electric truck. This monster is simply designed to revolutionize the trucking industry. To begin with, the Semi is a true beast on the road. Imagine, it accelerates to 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds, even when fully loaded with a weight of 37 tons. That's a feat no conventional diesel truck could ever achieve. That's thanks to 3 powerful independent electric motors. They make it easy to get into traffic at any speed. The Tesla Semi can travel up to 500 miles on a single charge. Charging with electricity is about 2.5 times cheaper than filling up with diesel. The Semi is literally packed with an active systems that, along with advanced steering, provide stability and traction in all conditions. The centralized driver position gives better visibility, and the electric architecture reduces the risk of rollovers and getting into the cab in an accident. The Tesla Semi is the truck of the future today. Powerful, efficient, and safe. It's sure to help make our roads cleaner. Trucks account for 18% of emissions. With less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile, the Semi will revolutionize the way we drive. Introducing the brand new Volvo VNL. This truck is designed to change everything. The first thing that catches your eye is the unique design. The curved windshield and angular profile look simply stunning, but that's just the beginning. Aerodynamics and a new powertrain have resulted in a 10% fuel economy improvement over the previous model. The interior has been thoughtfully designed to make the driver as comfortable as possible. Digital dashboard, gear shifting by steering wheel joystick, remote and push-button engine start, multimedia. It has everything you need for work and rest. Sleeping place, a huge number of storage compartments, well-thought-out lighting and ventilation system. The new VNL is equipped with the advanced Volvo Active Safety platform. This is a whole range of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, collision, avoidance system, and even pedestrian detection. And in the event of an accident, the eCall emergency call system will automatically transmit the coordinates to emergency services. Engine D13 paired with a robotized box I-shift with up to 500 horsepower and 1,950 Newton-meters of torque, this tandem delivers incredible performance and fuel efficiency. With Volvo Connect, you'll have access to all the critical information about your car in one place. Remote diagnostics, fuel consumption reports, programming, and more. It's now all just a click away. Now we are going to talk about an absolutely fantastic truck of the future, Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. This concept shows what true trucking will be like in the near future. The first thing that will definitely impress you is the exterior appearance. The front end is literally studded with LEDs, just like Daft Punk's helmet. But it's not just decoration. Orange flashing lights show when the truck is turning, and white lights show when it's being manually steered. When fully autonomous mode is engaged, the color changes to a cool blue. Future Truck 2025 is truly packed with radar, sensors, and cameras. It's called the Highway Pilot System, and it works almost like an airplane's autopilot. The truck can drive itself on the highway. The stereo camera at the front analyzes the road 100 meters ahead, recognizing objects, pedestrians, and even the type of road. Inside, touchscreens are everywhere. The side mirrors have been replaced by cameras with live streaming. It can drive itself at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour in traffic. You see an incredible truck, Freightliner SuperTruck. This monster is designed not just for the future, but for tomorrow. It focuses on the things that are already critical to real-world economy, aerodynamics, rolling resistance, powertrain, and safety. All innovations are aimed at bringing benefits to customers as soon as possible. Take design, for example. Every element, bumper, hood, windshield, mirrors, has been honed to perfection. The automatic side panels and roof spoiler reduce the gap between the tractor and the trailer to some 10 centimeters at speed. As a result, aerodynamic drag is reduced by as much as 12%. Especially for the SuperTruck, Michelin has developed new compounds and treads, all for the sake of minimum friction and maximum efficiency. Adaptive tandem axles switch from 6x4 to 6x2 on the move, extending the life of the tires. The 13-liter twin-turbo intercooled engine is paired with a 13-speed overdrive transmission. On descents, the engine is switched off at all, and the truck floats on EcoSail, powering all systems from batteries. The SuperTruck also has an all-new 48-volt electrical system. It can power all comfort features with the engine off. Plus electric power steering, which adapts to the conditions, and instead of mirrors, aerodynamic cameras with improved visibility at night. Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience. It's just a spaceship on wheels. This monster looks like it came from another planet. Pointed nose, headlights like a bird of prey, black mask all over the face, including the windshield and sunroof. On the side, sliding doors, curved windows, and camera mirrors, just like in concept cars. All wheels are covered with aerodynamic panels. Even the steps are perfectly blended into the design. But the coolest thing is the interior. The driver sits in the center, as in McLaren F1. There's tons of space around him and customizable gauges with performance data. And now for the trailer. Walmart designed it with Great Dane trailers. You know what it's made of? Carbon fiber. 16-meter long, one-piece panels like no one has ever done before. The heart of the Wave is a hybrid powertrain with a turbine. It can run on diesel, gas, or biofuel. The Iveco Z Truck concept is packed with innovation, with as many as 29 patented solutions. The Z Truck is powered by biomethane, so imagine, no harmful for nature diesel. And thanks to the huge fuel tanks for 1,200 liters, it can go as much as 2,200 kilometers without refueling. The engine in the Z Truck is a beast. 460 horses, 2,000 Newton meters of torque. Michelin X-Line energy tires have super low rolling resistance, saving another liter of fuel per 100 kilometers. Smart sensors monitor their condition, wear, pressure, and temperature. But the coolest thing in Iveco Z Truck is a transformer cab. When parked, the rear wall can move back half a meter, turning a cramped cabin into a full-fledged apartment on wheels. There is a wide bed, a kitchen unit, and even a shower, plus a lot of multimedia for recreation and work. All information is displayed directly on the windshield so as to not distract the driver from the road. With Autopilot, Z Truck will be able to steer itself on the autobahns while the driver is doing his business. Iveco Z Truck is simply a concentrate of future technologies. Ecology, economy, comfort, autonomy, everything is in it. Of course, it is still far from serial production, but some features will definitely be transferred to conventional trucks in the coming years. Today, I want to tell you about the new DAF CF Electric truck with an extended range. DAF Trucks has made another important step in the development of electric powertrains, doubling the range of the DAF CF Electric to more than 200 kilometers. This has been made possible through the use of VDL e-power technology. The introduction of a new generation of batteries has reduced the weight of the truck by 700 kilograms, which directly increases its payload capacity. The DAF CF Electric is ideal for use in urban environments where zero emissions and low noise levels are significant. The lithium-ion battery has a capacity of 350 kilowatt-hours. Thanks to the increased battery capacity, the CF Electric now has a range of more than 200 kilometers, double the range of previous generations. Full charging of the battery is usually carried out at the truck base and takes about 75 minutes using a 250 kilowatt charging station. Here are Scania electric trucks for long-distance regional transportation. Scania presents complete battery electric truck solutions that offer power, range, and charging options for trouble-free daily operation. A new generation of Scania electric trucks available with R or S series sleeper cabs, with 624 kilowatt-hour batteries installed. These trucks are based on classic Scania principles such as modularity, sustainability, and overall operational economy, with the potential to match or even surpass what can be expected from conventional trucks. Scania's new electric trucks are accompanied by comprehensive support in terms of operational factors and services that make them complete solutions including charging, financing, insurance, and maintenance. Range varies depending on weight, configuration, and topography, but the 4x2 tractor unit with 6 batteries can expect to travel up to 350 kilometers between each charge at an average speed of 80 kilometers an hour on highways. The charging capability is up to 375 kilowatts, which means that an hour of charging will add around 270 to 300 kilometers of driving range. The constant power output level for the Scania 45R or S is 410 kilowatts. Right now, we are talking about the Volvo VNR Electric truck. Volvo has really gone to great lengths to make this truck as efficient and environmentally friendly as possible. Imagine, the range of the new VNR electric models has been increased by as much as 85% and reaches 275 miles on a single charge. The battery capacity is as much as 565 kilowatt hours. A full charge takes just 90 minutes using a 250 kilowatt charger. Thanks to advanced telematics, Volvo can remotely monitor battery status and help customers optimize battery usage. The VNR Electric is available in various configurations as a 4x2, 6x2, or 6x4 tractor or straight truck. The powerful 455 horsepower electric motor provides excellent dynamics in urban conditions. At the same time, the cabin is quiet and comfortable, which reduces driver fatigue. Of course, it's Volvo. That means safety is at the highest level. In addition to a robust cab structure, the VNR Electric is equipped with advanced electronic aids such as frontal collision avoidance. I want to tell you about a fantastic electric truck that transports goods over short distances. The Nikola BEV. It is an all-electric truck, which means that it does not release any harmful emissions into the atmosphere, making it an ideal choice for companies that care about the environment. It also runs virtually silent, making it a great choice for urban environments. With a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, the truck can easily make short trips without having to stop to fuel. It also has up to 645 horsepower and up to 2,000 pound-feet of torque, making it an ideal choice for hauling heavy loads. Another feature of the Nikola BEV is its innovative battery management system. This system allows the truck to automatically optimize battery usage to maximize range and efficiency. In addition, the Nikola BEV has fast charging, which means you can charge the battery to 80% in just 2 hours. It is available in 2 variants, 4x2 and 6x4. You can choose the option that best suits your needs. In addition, the Nikola BEV has a spacious cabin that can comfortably accommodate the driver and passenger. The Peterbilt Model 579 EV is a true breakthrough in commercial transportation. Peterbilt 579 EV is a full-fledged Class 8 truck, capable of carrying up to 37 tons of cargo. But unlike its diesel counterparts, 579 EV runs entirely on electricity. No emissions, no noise, no pollution. The 579 EV's power is more than enough for regional transportation and port maneuvering. The electric motors deliver up to 670 horsepower and provide excellent traction, especially when starting. Thanks to the regenerative braking system, some energy is fed back into the batteries when decelerating, extending the range. A single charge of the 579 EV's batteries lasts about 240 kilometers, enough for most regional routes. A full charge takes only about 3 hours. In the cab of the 579 EV, you won't feel any difference from a conventional Peterbilt 579. The same space, the same comfort, the same excellent visibility. Except everything is much quieter. The unique interior trim and special instrument graphics make you realize you're in the electric truck of the future. If you're looking for an environmentally friendly, economical, and technologically advanced solution for regional transportation, the Peterbilt 579 EV definitely deserves your attention. The Freightliner eCascadia electric truck combines the best of the proven Cascadia platform with the advanced Detroit e-powertrain electric powertrain. That means you get the familiar reliability, efficiency, and comfort, but now with zero emissions. Imagine quiet, smooth acceleration from powerful electric motors, no diesel roar, no vibrations. The driver is less tired, and you can talk in the cab without raising your voice. With a range of up to 230 miles, it only takes an hour and a half to recharge to 80%. That's more than enough for most regional routes. But eCascadia isn't just about the environment and fuel economy, it's also about driver comfort. An ergonomic seat, well-designed dashboard, telescopic steering column, everything to make the driver feel at home. Modern safety systems such as automatic emergency braking help prevent accidents. You see the revolutionary electric truck from Mercedes-Benz, the eActros. It's not just another truck, it's part of a holistic solution for the transition to environmentally friendly transportation. Let's start with the most important thing: range. The eActros is available in 2 versions, with 3 or 4 battery packs. Each battery has a capacity of about 112 kilowatt hours, which adds up to between 336 and 448 kilowatt hours. That's enough to drive up to 400 kilometers on a single charge. Now about charging, thanks to the standardized system, charging the eActros is easy. Park, plug in the cable, and go. With a charging capacity of 160 kilowatts, the batteries can be charged from 200% to 80% in just an hour and a half. So long idle times are a thing of the past. But eActros aren't just about the environment and saving money. It's also an incredibly comfortable and safe truck. Standard equipment includes such driver assistance systems as lane control, emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring, and many others. Low noise and vibration levels in the cabin make the driver's work much less tiring. Of course, we cannot fail to mention the impressive dynamics. 2 electric motors with a combined power of up to 400 kilowatts provide instant response and smooth acceleration. Driving a truck like this is a pleasure. But the eActros is more than just a truck. It is part of a comprehensive solution from Mercedes-Benz that includes consulting, digital services, and an extended warranty. So when you switch to electric traction with eActros, you get a reliable partner every step of the way. Kenworth T680 FCEV, the first production Class 8 hydrogen truck. This truck is the result of a joint effort between Kenworth and Toyota to create the environmentally friendly transportation of the future. The T680 FCEV is based on the proven Kenworth T680 platform, but instead of a diesel engine, it utilizes Toyota's state-of-the-art fuel cell system, a full-fledged long-haul trailer capable of traveling up to 450 miles on a single hydrogen refueling. Refueling takes minutes as opposed to charging the batteries for an hour. This makes the T680 FCEV ideal for regional transportation where range and travel time are critical. But eco-friendliness and convenience aren't everything. The T680 FCEV offers impressive performance. 2 electric motors with a combined output of 415 horsepower provide smooth acceleration and the ability to tow trailers up to 37 tons GVW. At the same time, the top speed is limited at 70 miles per hour to optimize fuel consumption. The T680 FCEV is more than just another truck. It is a symbol of our commitment to sustainability and lower emissions. With these vehicles, we can make transportation not only more efficient, but also more environmentally friendly. Homtruck is an innovative electric truck from Geely that promises to revolutionize commercial transportation. Homtruck is not just another electric truck, it's a full-fledged trucker's home on wheels. Imagine a spacious cabin with everything you need: shower, toilet, bed, refrigerator, kettle, and even a washing machine. Homtruck is literally packed with advanced technologies. Level 4 autonomous driving system allows the truck to drive itself on the highway while the driver is resting. A multitude of sensors and cameras constantly monitor the road and surroundings, ensuring maximum safety. The customer can choose an all-electric version with the ability to quickly change batteries at special stations, or hybrid modification running on methanol. In any case, this truck will be much cleaner than traditional diesel analogs. Thanks to the constant connection to the network, Homtruck can receive the most profitable orders in real time, make the best routes, and even undergo remote diagnostics. It's a true truck of the future, designed to meet the needs of drivers and transportation companies. Let's talk about Ford F-Vision, the truck concept of the future. It's not just another tractor, but a true glimpse into tomorrow. Imagine this, a huge truck that drives itself. F-Vision is a level 4 drone. It can autonomously control traffic in certain situations, although it won't be completely driverless just yet. Now for the most interesting part, eco-friendliness. The F-Vision runs on electricity with absolutely no harmful emissions. The front of the truck can change color. In autopilot mode, the windshield from black becomes silver, merging with the body. The area between the headlights changes color. It can be white like daytime running lights or flash orange like a turn signal. Of course, so far it is only a concept, but some ideas will surely appear in future Ford models. In general, friends, Ford showed us what the truck of the future can be: ecological, smart, and incredibly stylish. a concept truck of the future from Audi, a huge machine without windows, without a driver's cabin, like an alien from the distant future. This beauty not just carries cargo, it turns our idea of how a truck should look like. The main feature of this concept is that it's all electric and self-driving. No exhaust, no driver fatigue, just load the goods and send it on its way. Streamlined shapes, futuristic look, it seems as if the truck came off the screens of a science fiction movie. Some even joke that it could be driven by Star Wars stormtroopers. Of course, this is just a concept, but imagine how great it would be to see such trucks on our roads. They would not only transport cargo, but also decorate the highways. Audi is known for its innovative approach to design, and this concept is fully in line with the brand's philosophy. It shows what the future of trucking could be: environmentally friendly, efficient, and incredibly stylish. Let me tell you about an amazing concept truck of the future, Hyundai HDC6 Neptune. This is not just another tractor, but a real work of art on wheels, a huge truck with streamlined forms, as if it came from the pages of a sci-fi novel. Hyundai designers were inspired by the locomotives of the 30s and 40s of the last century, and it turned out something incredible, both futuristic and retro. But Neptune is not only about beauty. The main feature of this beauty is a hydrogen engine. No harmful emissions, only clean energy. And thanks to this technology, engineers were able to completely rethink the design of the truck. Pay attention to the huge grille. It occupies the whole lower part of the cabin. It not only looks stylish, but also provides excellent cooling. Where's the hood, you ask? There is no hood. The engine is placed right under the cab, making more room for the driver and cargo. The Neptune comes with a special refrigerated trailer with cryogenic cooling system. It sounds complicated, but the point is simple. It cools cargo faster and more efficiently than conventional refrigerators, while reducing the carbon footprint by as much as 90%. Of course, it's only a concept for now, but Hyundai is already taking the first steps towards actual production of hydrogen trucks. The truck of the future, Gruzovicus. This is not just another tractor, but a real miracle of technology on wheels. A huge machine that drives by itself without a driver, and Gruzovicus looks absolutely amazing. Forget about boring rectangular cabins. This handsome vehicle looks like it came off the cover of a science fiction magazine. The main feature of Gruzovicus is its aerodynamics. Instead of the usual brick shape, it has a streamlined center at the front. It not only separates oncoming airflows, but also protects the sides from dirt and adds stability to the whole structure. Now about the brains of our hero. Gruzovicus is stuffed with cameras, sensors, and radars. They constantly scan the environment, and the central computer instantly reacts to any changes on the road. Safety is at the highest level, but most importantly, Gruzovicus can significantly reduce the cost of transportation. I would like to emphasize the stylish optics of Gruzovicus. It not only looks beautiful, but also perfectly combines with the dynamic shapes of the body. Gruzovicus is an incredible combination of intelligence and beauty. It is not just a truck. It is the transportation of the future, which can already change the world of trucking today. You see an incredible novelty in the world of trucking: hydrogen truck Nikola One. Imagine a huge futuristic tractor capable of covering up to 1,900 kilometers without refueling. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already a reality. This beauty is amazing in its power, as much as 1,000 horsepower. It is so fast that it accelerates to 100 kilometers an hour in just 30 seconds, leaving behind conventional diesel tractors. At the same time, no harmful emissions, only clean energy from hydrogen fuel cells. Do you know what's inside the Nikola One? It's a real motorhome. Big comfy beds, a huge 4K TV, refrigerator, and even a microwave. Drivers will feel right at home during long trips. Special attention has been paid to the driver's view. With no bulky diesel engine, the cabin is closer to the front and the panoramic windshield provides excellent visibility. Today I want to tell you about Vera. It's not just a truck, but the real future of transportation from Volvo Trucks. A fully electric truck without a driver's cab that drives itself and performs tasks. The main feature of the Vera is that it's built for people and by people. Although there is no one behind the wheel, it interacts perfectly with its surroundings and fits into complex logistics systems. Volvo's designers spent a lot of time making the Vera not just functional, but also pleasing to look at. They wanted the truck to look modern, but not intimidating with its futuristic look. Guess what? They did it. The Vera looks simple, accessible, and natural in any environment. When developing the design, the team drew inspiration from everywhere from sci-fi movies to everyday objects like phones and furniture. They strive to find the perfect balance between technology and simplicity. They paid special attention to colors. The main advantage of Vera is efficiency. It can work around the clock, increasing the productivity of logistics systems. At the same time, Vera is fully electric, which means it is environmentally friendly. Now we're talking about Scania's latest innovation, the AXL unmanned truck. This is not just another self-driving vehicle, but a real breakthrough in the world of transportation. Scania AXL does not have the usual cabin. Instead, it has an intelligent module with cameras, radar, LiDAR, and GPS. The AXL is fully autonomous. It decides where to go and what to do, receiving commands from the digital logistics system. Despite all its smartness, AXL remains true to the Scania tradition. It's easy to recognize the brand's signature features, and under the hood is a classic internal combustion engine. But it's powered by biofuel, which makes the truck environmentally friendly too. Of course, the AXL won't be on the roads for a while. It's designed to work in controlled conditions. Scania sees these trucks as the future of transportation. A breakthrough in the world of trucking: autonomous electric trucks from Einride. A truck without a cab that drives itself on the road. It's all electric. No exhaust, no noise, just clean energy. It's not just environmentally friendly, it's also economical in the long run. The truck is autonomous. It decides its own route, it drives itself, it adjusts itself to the road situation. But don't worry, people are still in the game. Each truck is monitored by an operator who can intervene at any moment. Now about the design. Have you ever seen a truck without a cab? It looks futuristic, doesn't it? It's not just beautiful, it's also practical. More cargo space. You know what the coolest part is? All of these trucks are connected in an intelligent network. They communicate with each other, coordinate their actions, and optimize routes. This makes transportation more efficient and safer. Einride offers not just trucks, but an entire system. You get access to an environmentally friendly, safe, and efficient way to deliver goods. It's not just a switch to new technology, it's an investment in the future of your business. The Volvo FH Aero is not just another big truck, but a real breakthrough in the world of truckers. A truck that saves up to 5% on fuel or energy simply because of its shape. Volvo engineers have lengthened the cab by 24 centimeters, making it more streamlined. This not only saves fuel, but also makes the ride more stable in strong winds. Now for the most interesting part, the mirrors, or rather, their absence. Instead of conventional mirrors, the FH Aero has cameras. They give the driver a better view, especially in rain, darkness, or bright sunshine. The cameras even keep an eye on the trailer when turning. The FH Aero is available in 4 versions, including electric and biofuel versions, so there's something for every hauler. There's plenty of cool stuff inside too. There's a built-in microwave, advanced truck navigation, and even a premium audio system. The FH Aero also has a clever IC system. It uses cloud maps to optimize driving and save energy. The truck knows the road in advance and adapts to it. The Walmart Wave is a huge truck that looks like a spaceship and saves fuel like a hybrid car. The truck is so streamlined that air resistance is reduced by 20%. This saves about 10% fuel simply due to aerodynamics. Now about the heart of this beauty. Wave is a hybrid, but not an ordinary one. Instead of a combustion engine, it has a capstone turbine. It can work on different fuels: diesel, natural gas, or biofuel. Can you imagine the flexibility? The Wave can drive in all-electric mode, especially convenient in the city or when maneuvering in a warehouse. When the battery runs out, the turbine turns on and recharges it. Speaking of the battery, it's a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 45.5 kilowatt-hours. It's like a good electric car. Thanks to the use of carbon fiber, Wave is 1,800 kilograms lighter than a conventional truck. Less weight means less fuel consumption. In the cab, the driver sits in the center, like in a racing car. The visibility is amazing. The trailer is not far behind. It is also made of carbon fiber with an aerodynamic nose part, with a load capacity of up to 7.2 tons. You see a new concept truck from Mitsubishi FUSO. This is a very interesting development that could change urban transportation. This truck is all electric. It does not emit harmful exhaust right on the city streets. The electric motor runs almost silently. No motor roar that disturbs residents at night. Deliveries will become much quieter and more comfortable for the citizens. Engine power is 70 kilowatts and torque is 300 newton meters. This gives excellent acceleration from a place which is important in the urban cycle. At the same time, the maximum speed is limited to 80 kilometers an hour, which is quite enough for the city. The range is about 120 kilometers on a single charge. The battery is charged in 6 hours from the usual 3-phase network. This concept is based on a conventional diesel FUSO canter with a payload of 3.5 tons. In size and capabilities, it is not inferior to the usual vans. A significant nuance. So far, it is a concept, not a production model. But Mitsubishi FUSO is already thinking about launching a test batch, so perhaps soon we will see such trucks on the streets. Thank you for watching Car Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.